Meaning of district.
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 District. District refers to a geographical or administrative division within a larger territory. It is commonly used to refer to a specific area within a city or town. Districts can have their own unique characteristics, such as cultural identity, economic activity, and social trends. They can also be designated for political purposes, such as to ensure fair representation in elections. Districts can vary greatly in size and population, and they often have their own local government officials and services. Overall, districts serve as important units of organization and governance within a larger geographic area.